We have bought 2 Christmas kits from Lidl, reindeer and star, and tree and star. So we have 2 stars, a reindeer and a tree. Nice Christmas. Okay, let's open the Christmas kit reindeer first. And let's open the Christmas kit tree and star. Wow, looks perfect. Okay, so now let's make the reindeer kit. Wow, looks perfect. Let's take them out. The reindeer. Let's put his things on his head. Maybe like that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the legs. First the back leg and the front leg. Now let's do the star. Oh, beautiful star. And the Christmas kit, tree and star. Oh. Open it. Wow. Oh, another side. Okay. And the tree. The part. First one. And the second one. Now the star. Maybe like that. Wow, this kit looks very good. This kits, yeah.